It's Dr. Chappuis. We're here at Spine Center Atlanta with one of our favorite patients, Miss Nancy Atkinson, who happens to also be a recovery room nurse.
That's right.
And she had surgery 3 weeks ago?
2 weeks ago today.
2 weeks ago. She had a disc herniation in her back. We did a microscopic discectomy, laminopharaminotomy, and she brought me in the most incredible card today that I've ever had in my 30 years of practice. But we also want to just ask her what pain was like before surgery and how she's doing now.
Well, the first time I came into this office, it was all I could do really to walk into the building. I was having so much pain. And so when Dr. Chappuis said that they could do a microdisc surgery, I just felt like the world had been lifted off my shoulders because I really was having a very difficult time walking. So we got this surgery scheduled. I had it done. I woke up in the recovery room and I was crying, not because I was in pain. I was crying because I knew that pain was gone. And until you walk around in pain for months and months, you don't realize how much pain you've actually been in. So it's been amazing for me. It's been life-changing, and I'm so thankful for the staff. Everybody was so incredibly nice, and they were great to my husband as he was waiting on the surgery and just, hoping that I would get a good result. And he knew right away when he came in there. He knew when he saw me that it was a success. And so the recovery's been great, and I'm so thankful for everybody here and Dr. Chappuis, and it's just an amazing group.
Thank you. Thanks so much.